Does the Max2 have some simple voice commands?
Voice commands. Okay, so not yet, but it's a very good feature. So we are considering to invent it later. So, but how you can help us? Actually, you can leave in the comment what are the main commands you might need, and we will invent it later and consider it in the future. So also, in fact, you can also install some voice applications, such as like chatgpt, for example, and then you already can communicate with the voice.
That's right, my friend. So, Yoda OS is not limited, so you can definitely find the best app that you need. And of course, my friends, you can modify the performance the way that you want, my friends, okay? Because this is a big thing, and this is really important, my friends, that you can tune it up, your device exactly that way that you need. It's for office, it's about your daily life, or it's about your any kind of activities for gaming, live streaming, or anything else. So you definitely can decide that what you want and what you prefer. So that's really important. And talking about this simple voice commands, yes, my friend. So it's just a matter of time. That's possible to do, and it will be done. But we gotta be a bit selective. So first of all, it's gonna be the basic, then it's gonna be extra, and then we're gonna expand. So we can add that, and it's not a problem. So just a matter of time. Stay tuned.